What we're seeing thus far is trained neural machine translation. In this case, we're showing Google AutoML is still outperforming both on textual scoring and semantic scoring over large language models. So you can see, for example, here, a higher BLEU, a lower edit distance, a higher METEOR score, and a higher COMET score. And particularly, this is a score that we use for semantic scoring, MetricX by Google, where lower is better. So pretty much across the board, you see that the trained neural machine translation wins. And this is just a snippet of a couple of languages that tell a similar story. But and this kind of goes back to what we were saying earlier. This is great for a production human in the loop scenario, but we're seeing large language models advance, and we expect that probably in the next year, if not sooner, perhaps even 6 or 9 months, these large language models will begin to catch up and overtake neural machine translation models.